Do you want to be financially independent? I'll let you in on a secret. Your health is your wealth. I'm JB Bryan, creator of AfroEconomics. Join me for my Black Health, Black Wealth Day Party on Saturday, September 14th at Richmond's Westerre Conference Center. Enjoy music from DJ Drake, dance with Kamel, Line Dance King RBA, and shake it up in Suyapa's Sassy and Saucy class. Check out my empowerment workshop and learn from my panel of experts and leaders. Be sure to join me for Black Health, Black Wealth on Saturday, September 14th at 10 a.m. Free food, music, fitness, and financial empowerment. Plus, bring diapers to donate to Healthy Heart Plus Mommies. Register today at blackhealthblackwealth.com or call 1-844-JB Bryan. This event is sponsored by JB Bryan Financial Group, a registered investment advisory firm.